Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm recording another video and I'm with my another friend here and he's doing his intro, so I have muted my mic in his call, so I think it's done. So I'ma just call him. Hey, is your intro done? Because my intro is done. My intro is done. Is your done? Hello? Yeah, your intro done because my is done. My intro is done. Okay. Mm, let's show them how to get a free item. Let's show them how to get a free item. Okay? Join me. Guys, today we will show you how to get a free item in Roblox. You need to play this game. You need to play this game. The Fashion Awards 2021. You need to play this game. I'm gonna join the game. Let's go. I'm gonna wait for you to join. My other video is almost uploaded, guys. Go check that video out also. Are you joining me? Yeah, I'm gonna show them how to get a free item. The item is really cool, by the way, guys. It's a sunglasses. The sunglasses are really cool. I'm not lying. I'm just waiting for my friend to join. There he is. Are you loaded up? Come on, let's follow me. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Guys, first you need to talk to this guy. You need to talk to this guy first. Just press any random button. Just press, of course. Then press any random buttons. Then press you're welcome. Okay, the logo is done. Are you done talking to that guy? Then press any random buttons. Press you're welcome at last. Is it done? Check the quest list. Check the quest list. Is the red carpet interview done? Done. Okay, follow me. So guys, you need to go front. I'm kind of lagging because I'm recording at the same time. That's why I lag. This game is so laggy also. I think my laptop is old. That's why. I think the laptop is old. I think mine is Windows 7. I think mine is Windows 7. Follow me. No. Don't go there. Follow me. Don't go there. Come here. You need to go over here to the entrance, guys. Go to the entrance. Then you need to go right here. Then go to this teleporter. I'm lagging. Oh. And then you need to go right here and then right here and just walk into this. Just walk into this. Okay, let's go. Then you need to just go to this teleporter. Then you need to get out of the maze right here. We just got out of the maze from the entrance. Lol. Then you need to go right here. We need to go over here. Then we need to talk to this girl thingy. We need to talk to this girl thingy. Just talk to her. Is it done? Another quest done. Then you need to go to like any of the items here, then press E or tap it if you're on mobile. Then after that you can speak. And then you need to press cross, and then you can then you need to press cross and your one quest will be done. This is the last quest now, guys. You need to go right here. I think you need to talk to him. I don't know. Okay, this will give you a quest complete. But you don't need to do the quest. After that you need to come here. And then go to this. Mine is already done, but if you go to here and press the dance form here, it will turn like that. Then press there and press 4 or any 1 2 3 4, and then go to right here and click any of these, like 1 2 or 3 4. I like 4, so I click 4. Then after that I like 4, so I am doing 4. Okay, after that is done, you need to go over here. After that, this is the last one, and boom. Now come right here again, and you should have the glasses. Did you got the badge? But guys, I hate to say, you need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the glasses. You need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the accessory. I don't know why. You need to wait. So so we will play another game now. Now we will play another game. Should we just show them how to get items, or should we play something? You got the glasses. I don't remember the name. It's golden. Share your screen. Let me see. Share the screen. Okay. See my screen. See my screen. I'ma show you the item. So guys, I'ma show you the item. We will go to avatar. I'ma show you the item. Okay, I'm going to accessories and face accessories. It's this one. It's this one. BFC Gold Opera Glasses. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, you will get this item. Yeah, because you need to wait. So, do you want to show them how to get more items, or do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game or show them how to get items? Okay, guys, I know something really good for you. Guys, search free item game, free items game. Search that in the experience, guys. After that, press this one. Let me show you the. It is made by Buildosaurus, and then play the game. Play the game. This game is really good. Play. Yeah, you can join me. Play this game, guys. So guys, this game will help you how to get the free items. Like there are some free items you can get from the avatar shop. From the avatar shop, these are all the avatar shop items. These are the glasses we just got. These are the glasses we just got, guys. This is the game. This is the NFL helmet. I'm gonna show you how to get this after. I'll show you how to get these items also. I'll show you how to get these items also, guys. I didn't got the shirt because it was kind of hard. I'm gonna show you how to get these two also. I'm gonna show you how to get these. I'm gonna show you these two Nike items also. The Nike Pro Cap and the Nike Elemental Backpack. You can equip the speed. You can equip the speed coil. You can equip the speed coil to go faster. Yeah. After that, what items can you show? Yeah. You can get this one too. I think I have already showed how to get this one. These are all the promo code, guys. You can redeem these promo codes right now. You can redeem this right now if you want to. What is this? What could be? It was theories on group war. Ooh, we're working on. Ooh, that is gonna be fun, guys. Also, guys, if you want to see this really big event, then subscribe to our channel. But you can't find it. I'll send him the link so he can get. So he can put the link in the description. which item do you want to show them first? These 3 items, this NFL helmet, or these 2 items? NFL helmet. Okay, let's go then. You can join me. You can join me. It will be way easier. The game you need to play is NFL Shop, guys. You need to play this game. It is so easy to get this item, guys. It is so easy. You can get this item so easy. Yeah. After you join the game, you will get this badge, NFL helmet. You will get this badge, and then you got the item. But you need to wait. You need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the item. You need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the item. That's the problem. That's a really big problem. You need to. After you join the game, you will get a badge, and you need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the item. It's just go right here. Yeah, then you need to like just walk. I'm lagging a lot. This game is so laggy. And you need to like just walk, guys. You need to just walk. Guys, you need to walk in front like to the shop over there, and after you have gone to the shop, you will get the item. But if you need to get the item, you need to wait 1 or 2 hours, then the item will appear in your inventory. I don't know why Roblox events are so buggy right now, but you need to wait 1 or 2 hours to get the item, or maybe 30 minutes, who knows, but you need to wait to get the item. I don't know why the events of Roblox are so glitchy. Yeah, sometimes it depends on your internet connection. Guys, you just need to walk over here. You will have the item. So I'm gonna show you how to get something else now. Alt F4 this game right now. Okay, now guys, we are gonna let's go to the free item games again. I'm lagging. Okay guys, I'm joining. I'm lagging a lot right now. Wait for me, dude. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm lagging a lot. So I'ma join you. I think you should join me because your connection is kind of good. You should join me. I'm lagging, so I think you should join me. Guys, I'm going to the free items game again to show you what I'm gonna get you now. Roblox load up. Okay, there you go. Roblox is loaded up. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to get these two items: the Nike Pro Cap and the Elemental backpack. So let's just go into the game now. Still loading it. Looks like the head. Looks obviously looking like the headless head. This video is long, guys. This video is long. Shoosh. Oh my god, go. And yes, guys, free item game has gotten 100 million visits. Gosh, I'm lagging. Gosh, I just gotta leave the game. You can press this button and you can just go down and you need to join this game. You can just press that. Why is my network so bad? You just need to press that and it is loading. The game you need to join is Nikeland. You need to join the game Nikeland. By the time I'm recording this video, my other two videos has been gone uploaded, so go check those videos out also. Yeah, I will link your channel in the description also. Don't forget to check the description, guys. Guys, you need to go to the teleport button. You need to press teleport, and after teleport you need to no, I don't want to. No, close. Click the teleport button and click on lobby. No, I think you can just go to the showroom now. Just click the showroom button, guys. Just click the showroom button. Right in front of the showroom, there is this girl jumping. There is this girl jumping and waving. Talk to her. Talk to her and claim the Nike cap and Nike backpack. And you will have the item, guys. So, after guys, after that I'm gonna show you how to get 3 last items. Go to the free items game again, guys. Go to the free items game again. Yeah, it is new. The event is new. I'ma wait for my friend to join. Guys. The zombies your Minecraft skin. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to get these 3 items. These 3 right here. This one is kinda hard to get. The shirt and pants are kinda hard to get, guys. I'm sorry, but I can't show them in the video because they're hard. But I really like these. These are really cool. I'm gonna try to get them in my free time. You can watch other YouTubers, guys, to get this because we can't do this. These are hard for us, but we will try to get it in our free times. So these 3 items we're gonna get. Go to this portal, guys. So let's go to this portal. Whew. Maybe you can get it right now. Maybe you can get it. Let us check. Guys, you can see, well, my friend is saying you can't get these items, but you can join the game and check it yourself if you can get the items. If you can, tell us in the comments. Okay, guys. No, not the backpack. Guys, you need to press the shopping cart. You need to press the shopping cart. And then you just need to press these buttons. It is saying on for me because I already have that, but you need to press the get button. I think it says get, and you will have the items, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.